Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use citations in Google Docs. If you want to use it, you need to go to Tools and then you need to go to Citations. Now you have here different types of citations you can use. If you will click on this list, you will be able to select one of them. I recommend you to select here default option. It is the first option with 8th edition, so I click on it and then we need to click on Add Citation Source. We need to select option from accessed by, we need to click on this list and you have here print website or online database option. So for example, I select here print option. You can search it with ISBN if you want, or you can try to cite it manually. So I select this one option. You need to select here author, editor or translator, everything depends on your preferences. So I select here author. I type here the first name, for example, Joe. I type here surname, for example, Twain. I type here title, for example, simple book title. I type here publisher, for example, simple publisher, and I need to type here published year. So maybe 2025. You can type here town and city, edition, volume, number of volumes, or short title if you want, but it is not necessary. So now I click Add Citation Source. And for example, if you would like to add it to bibliography, you need to click on this one option, Insert Works Cite. Then it will be successfully added here. So it is the first option to cite. This second option is based on special options, so we need to click somewhere here and press enter. And we need to click on this one option. This option is cite. It will let you to use insert in text citation. So I click on it and now you need to replace this char with page number. So I will type here maybe number 2. And how you see, it really works. So I recommend you to try this method if you want to use citations in Google Docs. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.